Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glide path. A glide path is a crucial investment strategy that systematically adjusts your portfolio's risk level over time. It's designed to help you align your investments with your financial goals, particularly as you approach a significant milestone like retirement. By following a clear path, you can aim to reduce market volatility and protect your accumulated wealth, ensuring a smoother journey towards your objectives. To begin your glide path, you typically start with a more aggressive asset allocation. For instance, a common approach is to allocate around 80% of your portfolio to stocks and 20% to bonds. This initial higher exposure to growth-oriented assets aims to maximize your potential returns during the early stages of your investment journey, leveraging the power of compounding over many years. As you move closer to your financial goal, the core principle of a glide path involves gradually shifting your asset allocation. You'll systematically reduce your exposure to stocks and increase your allocation to more conservative assets like bonds. A common practice is to decrease your stock allocation by 1 to 2 percentage points each year, steadily lowering your overall portfolio risk as your target date draws nearer. Upon reaching your target date, your glide path should lead you to a significantly more conservative asset allocation. For example, a typical endpoint might be around 40% stocks and 60% bonds. This final allocation prioritizes capital preservation and aims to generate stable income, helping to secure your financial future. You then maintain this allocation to support your ongoing financial needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.